healthy people. In today's video, I'm making black bean brownies. Yes, and they're keto. They have no refined sugar, no oil. Absolutely delicious. Right now, I have a can of black bean that I washed and drained, so that, you know, I won't have any problems. 1/2 cup of tahini, and this is at room temperature. Get out, get out, get out. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free, and hit that bell so you can get your notifications as well, okay? So that's my tahini sauce, and this is 1/2 cup that I'm putting in here. Guys, this is a real simple recipe. You're gonna love it. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cups of cocoa powder, and I think I meant to say 1/4 cups of tahini as well. I'm not sure if I said 1/2 or 1/4, but just know that everything that you're gonna need for this simple, easy recipe will be in the description box. All right, so I'm using 1/4 cups of maple syrup. You can use any sweetener that you like, but I love using maple syrup. If you want, you can certainly add some cinnamon to this, which I will. I'm just gonna add 1/8 teaspoons of cinnamon. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you. And let's just blend this up. So let's just move this up and then just take a look at it. Perfect. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a taste to see if everything is just the way I want it to be. Delicious. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Absolutely delicious and perfect. See that? Let's just zoom in on that. Yes, yes. So we're gonna scrape this out right now. Now you're gonna need something to scrape it out because as you may see, it's very, very thick. All right? All right, so I'm gonna scrape everything out. Okay, so we've scraped everything out, and yes, this is how thick it's supposed to look. So we're just gonna mold it. It's very simple. Of course we're not using, this is a big brownie pan for when I'm making a big batch. But as you guys may see, I didn't make a big batch today because Maxine's Corner does a lot of cooking. So I do try not to make too much sometimes so it won't go to waste, because I'm sure I'm gonna make 3 other things after this video. All right guys, so with that being said, this is what it's going to look like. It's molded, and I'm gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. But at the 30-minute mark, I'm going to check on it. So I'm gonna set it for 30 minutes at 350, check on it, and then see how it looks, and then we'll be right back. All right, my healthy people, so that's my brownie. Like I said, it's very small because I make a lot of food in one day and I don't want it to go to waste. Do feel free to double this recipe to make it bigger, all right? Or you could triple it, all right? So that's pretty much it. My hands are clean, they've been washed, so you could just remove it just like this. This has been cooling for about 5 minutes, and now I'm just gonna remove it with my hands just like that to a plate. So let's just go ahead and cut up these brownies. Look at that. Look at the inside. Nice and fudgy looking. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely yummy. Let me take a little taste of mine. Just gonna take a little piece of the corner here. Perfect. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a what? Big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free, and hit that bell so you can get all your notifications. If you have an idea for a recipe you want me to make, please leave it in the comment section and I will do my best to make it for you. Say it with me, guys. Say it with me. Stay healthy.